Hey guys, welcome back to a video. I just spent a couple minutes getting the old front axle out from under of Clifford. If you're wondering why I did, well, there's a few reasons, okay? First of all, I'm going to give it more suspension flex. And in the process of doing that, I need to take the angle grinder, cut along here. I'm going to cut like about 1.5 inches off of this, and then level this out, and then I'm just going to weld it. And I'm going to reinforce it, but I'm going to cut this like right there. Then I'm going to level this off. So it's going to be like that. Oh boy. Like that much taken off. And then I'm going to reinforce it so it doesn't bust off again. And then let's see. Then I'll put it back in Clifford. And yeah. And one concern I have, I don't know how big of a concern it is, but if you look here at the scoring on the inside of that shaft, you can see the height difference a little bit, but you see where it's shiny? That's where it's wearing. The rest of it is wore out from before. From the original mower that this top piece was on. Here's another idea. What if I lift it more? Should I continue? Should I lift it maybe another this much height? Should I just lift it to right here? Hang on. I'm gonna let this go down. Not so gently. Okay. So that's not very high. Oh boy. I do not like how that moved. Okay, so that's the highest I'd ever get it. And it looks about level. Well, it's a little bit, it's got just a hair of lean right now. So I don't want it to look like it's squatting, so I'm probably going to avoid that for now. I'm going to take this axle up there, I'm going to cut those edges, reinforce it. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright guys, I'm back. Here's the new cut we did to get some, sorry I'm getting attacked by mosquitoes, to get flex out of the suspension. I'm going to mangle this thing in here, just prop it in there, and I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I just tested the flex, and it's all back together. I cut it. Here, we might be able to see. Nope. Anyways, I cut it, as you saw, and it's got some flex. It's more than I ever thought. I will make a video testing the flex. You will see how insane this is. I might have to put a bump stop so it doesn't hit my turbo exhaust. I'll have to find something out. Yeah. We'll see what happens. Well, I know it's insane, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.